Let's take a look at number 35 from section 8.4. We want to rationalize the denominator. One of the first things we're going to do is apply the quotient property, where we look at this as the square root of 25 over the square root of 2x. So notice we're going backwards from what we've done in the earlier problems. Instead of dividing first, we're saying let's apply the radicals first. So this is 5 over the square root of 2x. And now I want to rationalize this denominator. That means I want to get rid of the radical in the denominator, but I don't want to change the value of the problem. So I want to multiply by, since the denominator has a square root in it, I want to multiply by a square root over itself. And I want to apply in this fraction that has the same square root on the top as bottom, I want to put a radicand as small as possible so that when I multiply these denominators, I'm taking the square root of a perfect square. So in this case, that's 2x. So I now get 5 times the square root of 2x in the numerator and the square root of 4x squared in the denominator. And I am assuming that my variable x is a non-negative value. Well, the square root of 4 is 2, and as long as x is not negative, the square root of x squared is x. And so this is my final answer. It's equivalent to what I started with, but it is in what we would call the simplest form. So if you were asked to simplify this radical, this is what you would be doing.